Sri Bhagavan Das Garu, Sri Nataraj Murthy Garu, my dear colleagues from the Department of Posts, all the managers, coaches, players, referees, members of electronic and print media, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Telangana Postal Circle, it's my great pleasure and honor to extend a warm welcome to all to this valedictory ceremony of 22nd All India Postal Carom Tournament. The 5-day-long tournament is culminating today with this event. We have participants from 17 circles. I extend hearty welcome to all of them. I extend a warm welcome to all the retired senior officers who have graced this event. I also extend a warm welcome to the representatives of print and electronic media to this valedictory function of this Carom tournament. On behalf of Telangana Postal Circle, I once again extend a warm welcome to all those who are present here. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Respected Chief Postmaster General Brigadier Chandrasekhar, my colleague Dr. P.S. Vidyasagar Reddy, Dr. Upender, Satyanarayan Reddy, DPS headquarters, and our honorable members, retired members, and all the participants of the events. It is a historic event in Telangana Circle because after formation of the Telangana Circle, this is the first national event we are organizing. And I hope you all are enjoyed this last 1 week, whatever has happened here. And the feedback I saw from the newspapers only, I used to see newspapers only, I never came here. But every day there is a news item on the events happening here. It's a very interesting. Sports and cultural activities is a part of every organization because it refreshes our minds, it refreshes our activities. By any organization, if it has to grow, these things are it is required. Unfortunately, what we see in the department, these events are always limited to the persons who are recruited for the sports quota only, which is not correct. So every individual, whether he is a sports person or even a cultural activity, he participate or not. So everybody should try to participate in the event so that he will be, and not only he will be, not only physically, even professionally also he will grow. That's what my feeling, personal feeling. So I encourage all of you for coming here and participating. I hope you enjoyed the stay in Hyderabad, and I hope that we will have again some more time, after some time we will meet again to have some other event. All the best to you. Thank you very much.
గౌరవనీయులైనటువంటి కల్నల్ రాజేంద్ర ప్రసాద్ గారు, భగవాన్ దాస్ గారు, నటరాజ్ మూర్తి గారు, శుక్లా గారు, అలాగే మై కొలీగ్స్ కల్నల్ ఎలీషా, డాక్టర్ విద్యాసాగర్ రెడ్డి గారు, డాక్టర్ ఉపేందర్, డాక్టర్ సత్యనారాయణ రెడ్డి, and all the divisional heads and all the actively participated, all staff members of Telangana Circle, and the most important people of this event, all the players and all others who are attending the function here. Na namaskaralu మీ అందరికీ. ये तेलंगाना सर्किल बाइफरकेट होने के बाद जो पहली नेशनल इवेंट है, हमारे लिए प्राइड मोमेंट है. एंड शायद इसीलिए इस बार ऑल इंडिया इवेंट में इतनी बड़ी संख्या में पार्टिसिपेट किए थे सभी लोग आके. आई वॉज रियली amazed to see that 17 circles have participated in this event. उसमें से 104 players men players हैं and also 39 women players. It's the biggest number. Thanks for all of you to come here and participate in this event to make it very success and being the first event of Telangana Circle. And इसमें I have a lot of affection for the circles where I worked. My probation was in Tamil Nadu. எனக்கு ரொம்ப இஷ்டம் தமிழ்நாடு சர்க்கிள். நான் probation அங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேன். And that is the foundation for my career. So I will always remember Tamil Nadu Circle. Then after that, I was in Delhi Circle. So Delhi Circle भी मेरे, it is very close to my heart. I was SSP there, SSRM there. And then after that, I went to Army Postal Service. वहाँ से फिर वापस आया मैं AP Circle में. So AP Circle से भी बिलोंग करता हूँ मैं. I was there in Vijayawada for some time. And my birthplace is Machilipatnam, so Andhra Pradesh is very, very close to my heart. And after that, I went to other foreign administration for some other foreign assignment. उसके बाद मैं महाराष्ट्र आया हूँ. महाराष्ट्र is very close to my heart because हर चीज़ मैं महाराष्ट्र से शुरू किया था. Maybe बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं, मैं even my our senior officers, I started my career as LDC in DAP नागपुर. स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन के थ्रू स्टार्ट किया था मैं नागपुर में. Then after that, I got the selection as a clerk in bank in Chandrapur in Maharashtra. And वहाँ से फिर मेरा शुरू हुआ मेरा जर्नी. And then State Bank of India in Andhra, then civil services, probationary officer, civil services. Then उसके बाद जब मेरा प्रमोशन हुई थी as director, I was again in कामठी near नागपुर. तो महाराष्ट्र से हर बार मेरा जुड़ा हुआ था. And again when I came back as PMG, again I was posted as PMG Mumbai. So Maharashtra is also very, very close to my heart. Then after that, I was in UP Circle in Lucknow, one of the finest circles I have ever worked till now. So आप जानते होंगे कि अभी इतने सर्कल्स में मैं काम किया था, तो सारे जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स आए हैं यहाँ पे. एंड इसके अलावा व्हेन आई वाज इन APS आर्मी पोस्टल सर्विस, आई वाज इन ईस्टर्न कमांड कोलकाता. पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट घूम चुका था मैं, तो सारे सर्कल्स में गया था मैं. सो आई एम सो हैप्पी टू सी ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल दीज सर्कल्स हैव कम हियर एंड मेड दिस इवेंट ए वेरी बिग सक्सेस. मैं जब सर्टिफिकेट साइन कर रहा था, मैं देख रहा था हर सर्कल से कुछ जाने पहचाने हुए लोग भी हैं जो अवार्ड लेने वाले हैं आज. उन सबको मेरा शुभकामनाएं. And this is more important for us because today we thought we will have an opportunity to respect our retired senior officers who have settled in Hyderabad. I am so thankful to them. They have come here accepting our invitation. We would like to pay respects to them today. And in addition to that, we also thought क्यों ना हम इस दौरान जो बाकी स्पोर्ट्स का इवेंट्स से जितने भी लोग जो अच्छे पार्टिसिपेट करके सर्किल को नेम ले आए हैं, और सर्किल के पोस्टल टूर्नामेंट्स के अलावा बाहर भी जो पार्टिसिपेट करके काफ़ी नाम कमा चुके थे, वी वांटेड टू फेलिसिटेट देम आल्सो. सो वी ट्राई टू कॉल देम आल्सो हियर टुडे. माय थैंक्स टू देम हु हैव कम हियर एक्सेप्टिंग आवर रिक्वेस्ट. देन नाउ कमिंग टू दिस इवेंट, मैं उस दिन आई एम सॉरी आई कुड नॉट बी प्रेजेंट हियर ड्यूरिंग द इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी बिकॉज I had to go to Chennai for some work. And जिस दिन मैं कल्चरल इवेंट हुआ था, उस दिन जो डिनर भी हुई थी, उस दिन मैं काफ़ी लोगों से इंटरेक्ट कर रहा था. सारे लोग काफ़ी खुशी व्यक्त किया था कि यहाँ का अरेंजमेंट्स काफ़ी अच्छी है. थैंक्स टू यू ऑल फॉर अप्रिशिएटिंग आवर एफर्ट. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्रेडिट गोज टू द टीम led by Dr. Vidyasagar Reddy garu and Dr. Upendra garu, who have made this possible. And I'll just come to that point last May. And I was told that the player who got the award here, I mean, who won the tournament, is an international player. My best wishes to him. Mr. Bharati Dasan, I was told, is one of the international players. Ungalku all best wishes in future also. Then before winding up my few words, I was told that कुछ सर्कल से लोग जो है एक दिन पहले पहुंच गए थे क्योंकि बाई वीकली ट्रेन्स नहीं था, so they had to come 1 day in advance. Instead of 22nd they have come on 21st. तो उन लोगों की गुजारिश ये थी कि सर हम लोग थोड़ा जल्दी आ गए बिकॉज ऑफ कंपल्शन, तो हम लोग जो रहने का व्यवस्था जो है उसका भी रिएम्बर्स किया जाए. हम लोग अपने आपस में डिस्कस किए थे, लगता है कुछ सर्किल से आए हैं, आसाम से, बिहार से, हरियाणा से, वेस्ट बंगाल से, तो हमने ये डिसीजन लिया है कि एक दिन जो पहले आए उन सबका भी रिएम्बर्स कर दें अमाउंट जो. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, हैदराबाद इज़ ए गुड सिटी. अगर आप लोग अब तक देख चुके होंगे, अगर नहीं देखा तो प्लीज़ गो अराउंड, एन्जॉय द सिटी. एंड फिर अगेन अगली साल हमें जो भी इवेंट मिलेगा उसमें से जितने लोग आ सकते तो आ जाइएगा, अदरवाइज हम लोग कभी ना कभी मिलने का मौका मिलेगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Now, first place